Hello, my name is Karen King. Our Witsit meditation today is the light of love. Love is not primarily a relationship to a specific person. It is an attitude, an orientation of character that determines the relatedness of a person to the world as a whole. In this time of meditation, I ask that you allow my words to be your words. I focus my attention on the energy center of love within my body, in and around my heart. To attune to this radiating center of love, I place my hands over my heart while envisioning a soft pink glow emanating from my heart. Divine love is my name and true nature. I gratefully acknowledge that the well of love can never run dry, for the source of love is eternal. Under the influence of love, I awaken to more love than I have ever known. I call forth the magnetizing power of divine love. My thoughts are magnetic. Whatever dreams I am holding, I send through them the pink light of love. I center myself in realization that the dreams I have planted and I'm devoted to must bear fruit by the magnetizing power of love. I call forth from within me the harmonizing power of love. Love harmonizes my thoughts, words, and actions so that I see things rightly and bring about good. I see myself and others and all conditions through the lens of harmonizing love. I express love by seeing the good in all. I am the harmonizing power of love. I call forth from within me the unifying power of love. I am the divine love, unifying my thoughts, words, and actions until I know only oneness. I see myself in others, others in myself, and God in us all, for I am one. I send out from within me the pink light of love, blessing me and all people and all life. I am the power of love, loving. I submit these thoughts to love, to law, knowing that they are powerful and true, and so it is.